Kaya natin yan.
Kaya ba kaya?
Kaya yan. Kaya yan sa luna.
Kaya mo na kaya mo sabayan. Matik, inom mamaya. Yo.
Alam na. Yo.
Para kasakasap ganyan, Matik, inom mamaya.
Oo.
Sagot ni Boss B. Ay, talaga naman. Mapapasama tayo doon.
Oo, may hatid ako.
Ano yun? Sino na naman? Iba na, hindi na po si Marisa yan.
Tama yan. Unity.
Ba't ako magsasay ng oras dun?
And good evening.
Kaya naman sa akin. Ang inang yun.
Good evening again, bros. Welcome sa ating Season 1.
Sayang ibigay mo.
Papawis Liga. First game. BHC versus Ulupos. Start na po.
Kaya ni Mikey, pag hindi pinibig ka.
Ha?
Kaya mo yan pag hindi ka pinibig.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay na po yan. Okay na po yung score. Okay na. 30 minutes yan. 30 minutes. Steal by number 3. Logie, rebound by number 33, Lilia Red. Pass to number 2 to number 24, Lopez. To Villarete.
Oy, oy!
Traveling violation. Bros mula ang first quarter and fourth quarter ng 5 minutes. Running time po tayo. 15. Steal. 2 points. Number 27. 15-2. 29 pala, 29. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 24, Lopez. Steal by Villarete. 2 points. Lopez. 19-2. Logie. Rebound by number 2. So number 24, Villarete short jumper. Logie. Rebound by number 3. Jefferson.
Ano?
2 points. Number 12. 19-5. 8 minutes and 19 seconds.
19-5?
3. Logie. 3. JF. Anaya.
Ang bilis sa score ah.
Yung 5 ba yun? Nakatras yung 6 yan. Sobra lang yan.
Out of bounds. Score 22-4 po yan ah. 22-4. Nadagdagan na. 22-4. Ayan. Tama na po yan. 3. Pass to number. So, pass to number. Block! Pero may kasamang kamay. Foul by jersey number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Shooting 2, number 29, Mandapa. First row. No good. Second row. It's good. 22-5 in favor of BHC Hunters. Yin, Super Yin, pass to Angga Dewasa Rinale, 2 points. Number 2. Lagi po alam po, like, bakit yung dilaw ay dilaw. Araw coach po yung dilaw ah. Ang basahan. Super Yi, Subon! Super Yi!
Hey, Jagger.
6 minutes and 50 seconds of first quarter, 26-5. Subon del Rosario! Three, JM Anaya. Number 12. Pass to number 14. 15 second shot clock. Ang gandang cut to Mars, number 20. Score 29-10. Lopez. Pass to Anaya. To Lopez. 15 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. No good info by number 12. So number 3 Del Rosario. Del Rosario. Tapos. Steal by Super Yi. Super Yi. Drop pass to Subons. Bautista. 31-10. Out of bounds.
Mikey, ayaw umupo. Ang kulit ng batang to.
Wala ako nood. Wala ako nood.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul, number 29. 14 seconds shot clock. Lopez, drop pass to no good. Tibang by Villarete. To Super Yi. No good. Score 31-10 in favor of. No good. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Change 5. Change 5. Score 31-10 in favor of BGC Hounders. Second team foul, Ulubos. 10 seconds shoot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Pulabo. Lebron Rito. Lebron Rito to Lopez. 3, Nugget. Rebound by Ankaya. Number 8. Ankaya. Ankaya, Nugget. Rebound by number 12. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to Ankaya. To Lopez. Pound. Foul by jersey number 12. Third team foul. Ulubos. Shooting 2. Lopez. First row is no good. Second try. No good again. Good ball. 31-10 in favor of HCC Hounders. Number 29. 10 seconds to shoot. Subon, number 29. Mantapa. 12-31-12 in favor of HCC Hounders. Shoutout sa mga manonood natin dyan. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Subon! Full level! Dapat nag-ensure jumper. Subon! Dapat! Subon. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Bulabo. Pass to Rip Florino 23. 3! Rip Florino! 14. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Ulupots. Malakas, pass to number 13, rebound by. Warning, number 24, delaying the game. Number 12, short jumper again. No good. Dribble by number 21. Pass to number 29 again. Back to number 2. Taking 3. No good. Dribble by Lopez. 2 minutes and 30 of the first quarter. Lopez crossover move. Lopez. No good. Dribble by Mandapa. Score 37-14 in favor of PHC Hounders. No good, dribble by Kuroko, pass to Kulabo, short number. No good, dribble by Mandapa. Exactly 2 minutes of the first quarter. 3, no good. Out of bounds, boss. Timeout. Timeout, BGC Hounders. Score, 30-second timeout. Score, 37-14 in favor of BGC Hounders. And for our next game, Sistemador versus South Ray Kings. Good. 37-13, corrected by committee. Taking 3, no good. Taking 2 again. No good, over number 39 on top. 2 more, it's 1 top. 37-15. 1 minute and 28 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Ankaya. Steal, 2 points, Kuroko. 1 minute exactly of the first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 27, Zion. 40 seconds remaining on the clock. 13 seconds shot clock. 3. Jump ball. Ball stays with Ulupots. Next possession, BGC Hounders. Mandapa. 10 seconds to shoot. Support. 41-19. End of the first quarter. Score 41-19 in favor of BHC Hounders.
Buti ko puro 3 points. Umitin pa. Umitin.
Son, second quarter. in favor of BGC Hounders. Shout out sa aking boss idol, Jerry Malaki, the Man Mountain, ang idol ko. The Italian Sniper, Kamanggaan. Grabe ka, idol. 3 Doggy. To Lopez, 25. Doggy. Support.
Ay, mababago sila dyan.
40, 21.
Mababago sila dyan.
Basketball, number 14.
Mababago yan kay boss.
Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. They move on number 29. Fast break to number 16. 16. 2 more. Number 16. Back-to-back baskets by Team Ulubots.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Habol na.
Lopez. To Anaya. To Anaya again. 2 points. Bautista.
Ang kulit.
Off, stop, mga bata. Mga bata. Wait a moment.
Mga ganyan, sarap paltukan. Paltukan ko yan.
Parang kasi ka rumarang.
Pass to Lopez, number 25. 15 second shot clock. Mandamas, analysis number 23 mo by Villarete. Number 23. Villarete, ginagabala. Pass to Lopez. Nangamadali si Lopez. Pass to Super Lee, number 1. Give 15 seconds shoot. Foul by jersey number 28. 20, sorry. First personal foul, first team foul. First row is good. Second quarter, second shot, pumasok kaya. Is good again, 2 for 2. Tumawin na naman. Ingat po. Nugget, rebound by Bautista. Anaya taking 3. Nugget, rebound by number 29 again. Two points, number 29 on double. 20 pala, 20, sorry. Ano pa yan? 20, number 20. 44-25. Wow! Foul, jersey number 3. Second team foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. 3. Foul! Foul by jersey number 3, Del Rosario. 3 free throws for Super Year. Second personal foul by number 3. First throw is good. Second shot. No good. Last shot. Papasok kaya. No good again. Man dapat. Atake na basket. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Anaya. Villarente. 12 seconds to shoot. Shot jumper. Is still good. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Rebound by Bautista again. Anaya. Taking three. No good. Rebound by Poggy Del Rosario. Ball stays with Olubots. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Nugget again, rebound by Bautista again. Super G. Wow! Foul by jersey number 25, Lopez. First personal foul. 13 foul. A 14 foul warning for penalty. It's good. Second shot is good again. Wow! Ang laro ito ay ang feed sa inyo na Congress League. Ay, wala ka na ng Congress League. Lopez. Kaya naman masagdan na pasa naman nun. 2 points! Run double!
Penalty oh, maraming sila.
Warning for penalty, Team Ulubots. 2 points! Super Gian! Yan ang gamit ko sa ranking. Super Gian. Out of bounds. Stay free. Up, stop muna pala. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Napakaganda ng laban. Hindi natin napapansin ang oras. Shoutout sa ating mga bros and madams na nanonood sa bahay. Shoutout sa ating mga cameraman, Mikey Calvo at Ken Pogi. Nakapangtaka. Shoutout na ba kay Josh? Nakahulas ng ball. Wow! No good. Out of bounds. Balls go to HSC. Rounders. Yeah. Shoutout naman dyan kay Kuya Levi. Kuya Levi, shoutout sa'yo. My idol. Ref Florido. To Angkaya. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12 nagpapadali sa umakata na 2 points. Number 12. 4 minutes exactly on the second quarter. Angkaya taking 3. Angkaya. Kung kaya mo, ang kaya ko rin. 3 points. At mabawi kaya? No good. Rebound again by 20 Bautista. All along, 2 points. 3 minutes and 25. To number 2, to 27, 14-second shot clock. Number 12, 2 points, number 12. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on the second quarter. 3. Nugget. Rebound by number 27. Score 54-31 in favor of BGC Hounders. Rebound by number 20 power foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 29. Pinalo mo. Palo foul. Shooting free throws. Number 27. First team foul. Nugget. Second shot. Papasok kaya? Nugget again. Rebound by number 28. Bulabog. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Ripper Winner. Traveling violation without license. Two minutes and 5 seconds remaining on the clock. Shoutout sa ating Ma'am Emma na nagbigay sa atin ng sketches. 13 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket down! Basket counted number 8, foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot, number 12. Hadines, number 12. Bounce shot is good. Bonus shot is good by number 12. 1 minute 48. 54-34. 20-point lead by VHSC. Rip Rorido. Tukuroko. 10 seconds to shoot. Is still by number 6. Ano, 13? Di makita. To number 12. 12 na naman. Tapos ang haba niyan. 27. Sayang. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Mga bros and mga madam. Nugget, rebound by number 30. Ang ganda pa sa ilalim to Del Rosario. 2 points. Pogi Del Rosario. Ang aking senior sa SMMC. 50 seconds remaining. Tuwang kaya. Bulabog. 10 seconds to shoot. Nugget. Traveling violations without license again. Bayang kaya. 30 seconds. Nugget. Silva Bautista. Nugget. The ball. Ripper Widow. Nugget. And on the second quarter, with a score of 56-38. In favor of KGC Hounders. Shout out, Boss JN, ang pinaka-pogi. Pwede na magalo-halo.
Oh! Ringless? Ito muna to ah. Ito muna. Walang post eh. Walang post. Ako na? Ako muna?
Sa third quarter bros, hindi na tayo mandatory pala. Sorry.